waste them breath. Yo, Jamie, the man in a check one thing say, yeah.
I made it to the gym, super excited, glad. Almost didn't, but I was watching a video and the guy was like, why do you break promises you make to yourself? And I was like, damn, name, drip me up, calm name. Anyways, so I'm here to do chest day. My chest day is nothing too complicated. I'm not trying to build chest muscle. I just do it just to do it. So we'll see. All right, so I like to start all my workouts with a warm-up set. So I go the light weight and then I increase weight. What I usually do as I increase the weight, the reps go down. So I started with about 15 reps with a light weight, and then as I went up in weight, then I go to 12, 10, 8, etc. So right here I was mid heavy. I can't see how much weight that was, good in November, but I know I did go pretty heavy. I think I went up to 35 pounds on the chest presses, starting with 10 pounds. So you get my gif right here. Now you notice that I have a little curve in my back, my shoulder blades on the bench. I am exhaling as I push up, trying to keep my core tight and controlling the weight. Notice where my elbows are pointing. That's key. Then I move on to elevated chest presses. I think this bench was at a 30% incline. Usually the benches have it on it. Now I didn't do what I did in the previous exercise where I started with a warm-up set, because by now my chest already warm up. So I'm gonna just jump straight in at the 8 sets of heavy, but I did go up in weight but stayed at 8 sets, if that makes sense. So I didn't go all the way down to the 10 pounds. I want to say I started at about 20 pounds and I went up to 35. I want to say, gosh, we could have been making these things up, we will never know. All right, so now I do my favorite shoulder workout, the Arnold presses. When I used to train clients, them know for sure, say, especially male clients, them know for sure say this exercise on the planet. I keep the weight the same because I'm not try build my chest, my shoulder muscle or not like that. So I maintain it with the same. I want to say this was 15 pounds, and I just do 8 reps, 4 sets of 8 reps. As much as my chest and shoulder day is straight chilling. And then this one now I don't remember what it's called. I'll link it, I'll post it on the screen, but it's my elbows are pointing forward and tucked to the side, and I put the weight on my front shoulder. It works your front shoulder. One set I do alternative, the next set I do one arm at a time, and then I go back to alternative. As much as my whole entire chest and shoulder workout routine is all based off of vibe, because this is not a top priority for me. I just want to make sure I still lift upper body. Mostly legs and back is a priority for me. And then of course we finish up with 20 minutes on my favorite cardio machine. That was such a good chest day. Oh my gosh, I am so happy I went. I almost didn't go, and as I said, I was watching this video and the guy was like, if you can't even keep promises to yourself, why do you expect other people to keep promises to you? And I was like, so I went. I'm glad I went. I don't usually like going to the gym after work because I'm just tired and just want to relax. But I'm so glad I went. I'm so glad I kept this promise to myself. I was able to record. I was itch up in a little corner, able to record because I wanted you guys to see my chest day routine. Nothing too intense. Nothing like, like what Amanda will do. I mean, personally, I'm not necessarily trying to build chest muscle or anything like that. I just work chest just to be balanced and maybe strength, just to make sure I work full body. So hopefully you guys was able to benefit from my routine. If there's any routine you guys want to see, definitely let me know. If you appreciate this content, go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you to help me grow my channel. If you want to, I won't be like, hit the subscribe button. But if you want to hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to go ahead and eat some protein now. I'm going to get some curry goat for dinner so I can get my protein in. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Look on the body, yeah. Look on the body, yeah. Look, yeah. Mueve la colita. body that I got.